Hey everyone, Paul Akers. I'm an avid guitar player and I love to play, write music, and I always travel with my guitar. I always have my GS Mini with me or some form of guitar. If I'm in Antarctica or I'm on the Great Wall of China, you can bet I'm always going to have my guitar. I just love to play. I take it with me on the plane. It's easy. You'll never see me without it. I used to work for Bob Taylor and I love Taylor guitars, but I came up with a product called the magnetic phone mount for your guitar. And what it does, it allows you to easily put your phone on the headstock of your guitar so you can see it when you're playing music, when you're tuning, watching YouTube videos, and learning how to play guitar. So I started using this and it just made such a huge difference in the way I practice because I was never struggling. My phone was not falling off of my leg or it wasn't too far away on a table, but I could see everything really clearly. And it actually created an environment where I play the guitar 3 and 4 times more every day than I used to. The first version had a little longer neck like this. I shortened it all up, made it a little more compact, and it absolutely works incredible. So another great feature is you can easily turn on your camera and record yourself when you're playing a song so you can see how you're progressing. Now, because of the new magnetic phone mount for your guitar, I play even more, 2 or 3 times more, and I think you'll find the same thing. When you're not struggling to play guitar and you're not wrestling with your phone, everything goes a lot more smoothly. I think you're really going to love this product. You can get it at FastCap.com or you can call the 888 number 443-3748 and ask anybody and they can help you out.